Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this short and quick tutorial, I will explain how you can change drop-down menu color in Shopify. Specifically focusing to change the menu color on the desktop version because this is the demand of the users, and that's why I'm making this video. This will be a quick video, and by the drop-down menu color, I means this color. So if you just click on shop, and as you can see this color, and this is the demand of the users that they want to change the background color. And for this I have specifically prepared a code and write it in Google Docs. So I will share the link to the description of the video. So this is the main code and this is the optional code. So this is if you want some extra customization, but this code will work fine. This code is the main code. So you have to go into the theme customization and click on theme setting, and then you have to click on custom CSS, and you can insert the code from there. You don't have to go into the theme code for this simple tutorial. So you have to click on customize, and I'm making sure that the steps are as easy as possible so any beginner can also understand it as well. So you have to click on theme settings, and then you have to go down and custom CSS. I have already written some code, but I will just paste the code down. So you just have to copy paste this code, and then sorry, so the code is, so let me copy paste the code. So this is the code, and let code be applied, and then we will see how it actually works. So I think it is applied, so let's see if it is working fine or not. So as you can see, the code is working really fine. This is how you can change the color. If you want some other color, you can change the color, or from here you can add the black color, you can add the blue color, you can add the orange color, any color you want. But if you know any color code, you can also insert the color code with the hashtag. Okay, so time to add the optional code. This is totally optional if you want some extra customization, but I like this customization, so I thought to add it in the code as well. So I will add something like this, and now what it shows, I will let it be refreshed, and then we will see how it actually looks. So basically it has the the blue and white effect in the background color of the menu item, drop down menu item. So if you want to change the colors, you can just replace them. So for example, so in this code, let me explain you, the headers of menu color is white and the list menu disclosure is light blue. So if you want to interchange the colors, or if you want to change the existing colors, you can do it. This is optional, and it basically does the background of the headers and menu to white. So as you can see, it is white, and the other color, the reverse color is blue. So you can change it, but this is optional. Most of the users just want this code, so this is an optional thing. And if you don't want to try it, that's totally okay. This code is working fine on the DOM theme, and if you have any other theme, you can just leave me a message, and I will make sure to drop your code as well. So thank you very much, and let me know. So I'm also removing this optional code at the end. It is just an extra option. So let me know if you feel an issue, and I'll be responsive. Thank you very much. So make sure to save it. Okay. Bye.